Hello students, today we will discuss about the human excretory system. What is human excretory system? The system of organs which help us to remove the waste products from the body. The system of organs which help us to remove waste products from the body like urea, sweat. Many organs are there which help in the excretion, but here we will discuss about the kidneys. There are two kidneys in our body, left kidney and right kidney. These are in the shape of bean. These are in the shape of bean, you can say the cashew nut. These are in the shape of cashew nuts. As the dirty blood enters from the renal artery. Dirty blood enters from the renal artery. This is renal artery, one tube is renal artery and one tube is renal vein. Dirty blood will enter through the renal artery as it will go to the kidney. As it will go to the kidney, kidney's function is to filter that blood. Kidney's function is to filter that blood. Kidney's function is to filter that blood. After that, as the kidney will filter that blood, it will pass that cleaned blood or filtered blood to the renal vein, and renal vein will send that clean blood to the whole body. Like this way, kidneys act as a filter of the blood. After that, all the waste products will go to the narrow tubes. These are narrow tubes. These are called ureters. There are two ureters, one is connected with the right kidney and one is connected with the left kidney. See here, the dirty blood came from the renal artery and clean blood goes to the renal vein. Clean renal vein. Now see here, all the dirt, or you can say the dirty water, urine, that will collect in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a soft muscular bag that collect or hold the all urine, and as it is collected here, or you can say that this bag is full, then it comes out from the body through urethra, or time to time urethra help in removing urine from the body. Now we will discuss about the function of these organs. What is ureter? It carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. What is the function of kidney? Kidney filter the blood. And what is the function of ureter? Ureter carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Now what is function of urinary bladder? What is the function of urinary bladder? It collect and store the urine. Now last one is urethra. What is the function of urethra? It removes the urine out from our body. These 4 points you have to learn in this. First one is kidney, second one is ureter, and third one is urinary bladder, and fourth one is urethra. These 4 points you have to learn in this. This is about the human excretory system. Our next topic is how we can keep this system healthy. Eat a balanced diet, drink more and more water. Because if you will not drink more and more water, in blood there are many salts and they will form stone in the kidney. So at least 5 to 6 liters or 10 to 12 glass of water you must have to drink daily. After that, eat fresh fruits, vegetables, never eat junk food and deep fried food. These foods create problem for the excretory system. Why? How they create problems? They create problems by making the stones in your kidneys. This way you can keep your digestive system also healthy. If you follow these points, by this you can keep both excretory system as well as digestive system. Both the systems will be healthy. Now you know about the excretory system. Thanks.